We often view sleep as a passive necessity, something we squeeze in after our busy days. However, sleep is not a luxury. It is a biological imperative. Just like we need air to breathe and food to eat, our bodies and minds require sleep to function properly. A single night of poor sleep can leave us feeling sluggish and out of sorts. But what happens when we push beyond our limits and endure 48 hours without sleep? The answer, as we will discover, is a cascade of physical and mental impairments that underscore the profound importance of prioritizing sleep. During the first 24 hours without sleep, our bodies begin to send subtle signals that rest is overdue. We experience fatigue, drowsiness, and a dip in our ability to focus. Our mood might sour a bit, and we find ourselves craving sugary treats for a quick burst of energy. However, as we enter the second 24 hours, a full 48 hours without sleep, these subtle signals transform into blaring alarms. Our cognitive functions decline significantly, making it difficult to think clearly, remember information, or make sound decisions. Beyond the overwhelming fatigue, 48 hours of sleep deprivation takes a visible toll on our physical state. Our eyes become bloodshot and heavy, our movements clumsy and uncoordinated. Our immune system, weakened without the restorative power of sleep, leaves us more susceptible to illness. The risk of headaches intensifies, and our bodies, starved for rest, begin to crave unhealthy foods, further jeopardizing our well-being. The mental consequences of 48 hours without sleep are just as pronounced as the physical ones. Our ability to focus and concentrate plummets, making even simple tasks feel insurmountable. Memory formation and recall become unreliable, and we may struggle to find the right words during conversations. Mood swings become more extreme, with irritability, anxiety, and even depression creeping in. Our decision-making skills are impaired, leading to poor judgment and impulsive choices.